Hello students. Now in the part 5 we are going to learn how to draw a hexagon, a regular hexagon, where I have shown you what is an interior angle of a regular hexagon. So this chapter is very interesting chapter in class 8 and 9, where we know sum of interior angles of a regular polygon. So this comes under the chapter polygon is 2n minus 4 into 90. So each angle, if you want children, we have to divide by n. So if you have done this chapter, it's well and good. Otherwise, you know, when n is number of side, hexagon has 6 sides. So this 12 minus 4 gives you 8. So you multiply 8 by 6, so 4 by 3 of 90 gives you 120 degree. So each angle of a regular hexagon is 120 degree. So let us see how we do. So this is question 10 of ML Agrawal's book, exercise 16.2, and this is ICSE is the last question from this, but this is not our end of our video lesson. I will have one part 6 where I'll do circumcircle or circumscribed circle to a regular hexagon. So let us see how we draw. So in this session I'm teaching you how to draw hexagon. Next session I will draw hexagon and just I'll show you how we draw the circumcircle. So let's take 4 centimeter side. So let AB, the base be 4 centimeters. So here we take AB as 4 centimeter. Okay. So AB has 4 centimeter we take, and both side children we will draw 180 degree angle. So you have to use a compass for that. So here take a little bit less than half because both side we have to do. So we will draw here 120 degree angle, children. So see that your pencil is sharp, then you will get more accurate value. So both side at A and B we draw. So see how we draw to 120 degree angle. Okay, so let us produce it here. This side we produce it and this side we also produce it, and we cut 4 centimeters. So 4 centimeter you have seen we have taken here. This is 4 centimeter. So we cut here 4 centimeter and we cut here 4 centimeter. Now leave this side, call this as F. Leave this side and we continue to draw at C. Let this be point C. Here one last, when you take the same size of arc, children, it looks nice. So at C also we draw 120 degree angle. Okay, so C we draw 60 and 120. Okay, so here we get from C we produce and we will cut it somewhere at D, which is also 4. So you can take this distance as 4. Each distance we are taking as 4. So C you cut it at D. Now see the last part, children. We got D. So at D, and again what we do, we cut 4 centimeter. Okay, so this is 4 centimeter. So D we cut 4. Okay, and from F, D we cut so from D we cut 4 centimeter as well as from F, and here we will get point E. So we get this point as E. So when you join this automatically should become 4 because we have taken arc of 4 centimeter. So produce this, join this, you get 4. Join this, you get 4. So finally we have drawn the regular hexagon. Now we have to draw the incircle. If this is looking too big, you can rub. Okay, little bit extra is good. Okay, so now once more how we have drawn the hexagon, children. You see what we have done here is we have taken AB and 4 centimeter. Each side will be 4 centimeter and each angle will be 120 degree. So we draw 120 at A, produce it and cut an arc. Where it cuts we call it F. At B we also draw 120 degree angle and produce and cut at C, which is 4. At C again we draw 120 degree angle, we cut it at D, and from D again here we cut 4 centimeter, and from 4 F we cut 4 centimeter at D. Remember we have drawn 3 120 degree angle. This is all about a hexagon. Now how to draw an inscribed circle? It's very easy, children. Just angle bisector. So 60 is angle bisector already. You don't need to bisect angle because half of 120 is 60. So here you just join, you will get the center of the circle. Okay, so let this be O. Okay, now from O we need to get this distance, like if you remember incircle. So children, we drop a perpendicular. Okay, so 4 centimeter I'll rub right here because this 4 we are going to drop a perpendicular, so I am rubbing this. You can write 4 anywhere. Okay, so I again drop a perpendicular from here on, like you see my lesson on incircle for a triangle. So we put it here. So this is what we call dropping a perpendicular. So see my last video, part 4. This is part 5, children, and we produce it. So here we get this point. This is the shortest distance. So this all should be dotted line, children, but here it should be there. Okay, so we have got the perpendicular from a point on a line. So with this as radius, children, O, we can call it P. See this point. Okay, this point is P. So with OP as radius, we draw a circle touching all the sides of the hexagon. Okay, so this is how we do. Okay, some places it may go little out, some little 1 millimeter difference. So if you are more accurate, you will get a nice circle inside hexagon. But remember, some points, we are human being, it will be little inside or little outside. So generally I think I have taken a little big. I should have taken little small radius, so I could have got a better circle. Okay, so this is how. So I hope you have understood the method. Okay, so when you take the radius, you have to be little careful. Okay, so as I was telling you, this is your inscribed circle to a hexagon. So I have taught you how to make hexagon. Next we will have how to draw a circumscribed circle to a hexagon. So one thing I have explained to you in part 1. So part 1 of the video got a little hazy because of it went to 720p. I wanted to make it at 1080p. Anyway, just I'm recapitulating what I have said there. If you see your book, this is what we were doing. I have done. So I hope you can see this clearly in this particular geometry is number 3. So 3a, 3b, 3a is similarity, 3b is loci, which is out of syllabus now. Circle. So we have got angle property. I've done one video on cyclic property and angle property together. One about theorem and one about how we solve sum. Tangent and secant property. Out of 6, 3 are there in syllabus now. So those which I have ticked, children, you can see. So 3 are there in syllabus. So I have made 3 videos on this. One to explain the concept of all 6 theorem, and Next video is solving ICSE question on that. So please see part 5 of my video for that. And next we have over here construction. So see, this is what we are doing. So you see I have made already, this is my 5th video, construction of tangent to a circle from external point. So here I have done 2 questions. Okay, part 1, part 2, then circumscribing and inscribing a circle on a triangle on regular hexagon. So triangle part 3, 4 I have already made video for you, and this was encircle to regular hexagon, and last sum we will do is circumcircle to a regular hexagon. So thank you children for watching this video lesson.